Okay, in this lesson we're going to learn the open G chord. This is the G major chord, really common in bluegrass. I'm going to give you the bare minimum just so you can get started and you can worry about fine tuning it later. So one thing you will need to know is, so on the guitar there's 6 strings, and we call the one here, the thinnest one, the first string, then your second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So your first string is the thinnest and your sixth is the thickest. And then each one of these metal pieces is a fret. So when you put your finger down behind the fret, it shortens the string. Instead of being this long all the way out to here, now it's a little shorter every time you go. And that shortens the string and therefore makes a higher pitch because it increases the frequency. So that's what you need to know. This is each of these is a fret. You put your finger right behind it when you want to shorten that string to the point of the fret. And then this is your first and this is your sixth. So the G chord. You put your pinky on the third fret, 1, 2, 3, on the first string. We're going to use our fingertips for all these notes. Then you put your third finger, your ring finger, on the third fret of the second string, right above your pinky. It can be kind of to my left. And then we're going to leave the next 2 strings open. So we're not going to put our fingers down on the third or the fourth string. Fifth string, we put our first finger on the second fret. Just like that. See how I'm using my fingertips? Not over top of the fret, but I'm just right behind it. And then we put our last finger, our middle finger, on the third fret of the sixth string. Okay, my thumb is kind of resting near the top, but it's not hanging over. So I'm really relaxed. I'm not pushing down too hard. It will hurt your fingers in the beginning, but you'll get used to it. So right there, that's what it should sound like. So just start like that. Pinky, then your third ring finger, next 2 strings are open, then your first finger, and then your middle finger. And for now, don't worry too much about using your right hand to strum. Just try to get that shape. You can use your thumb. If you know how to hold a pick, you can use a pick. You can brush your nails down like that. It doesn't matter. Just get the chord on your left hand, get that figured out. Okay, so practice that one and get ready for the next video for the D chord.